Hi, Kristy in the Rada Kitchen, and it's the holiday season, and one of my favorite treats is peanut brittle, and I have a quick, easy recipe for it. You make it in the microwave, no worries about making it over a hot stove. I got this out of our recipe cookbook called Santa's Favorite Holiday Treats and Christmas Sweets. This cookbook is filled with recipes for breads, cookies, pies, and snacks. And so today, let's get started. It's called Easy Peanut Brittle. In a glass bowl, combine 1.5 cups of dry roasted peanuts, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and a pinch of salt, which is optional. And we're going to stir this until it's well mixed. And I'm using the Rada non-scratch spoon. Has that edge that helps you get to the bottom and scrape the bottom of the bowl. Now put this in the microwave for 6 to 7 minutes on high, or until the mixture is bubbly and the peanuts have browned. So now it's bubbly and the peanuts have browned. We're going to add a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of vanilla. And stir that in. And we're going to put this in for another 2 to 3 minutes. And have a teaspoon of baking soda ready, because we're going to add that immediately after we take it out. And also have a greased baking sheet or pan ready. And now immediately add a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir it in until it's foamy. And then we're going to pour it into our greased baking sheet. Now let this cool for 15 minutes or until it's set, and we'll come back and break it into pieces. So the peanut brittle has cooled, and now all you have to do is drop it and break it into pieces. And now it's ready to give as gifts or to enjoy yourself. This is one of the recipes in the Santa's Favorite Holiday Treats and Christmas Sweets.